So once more, just a practice. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? To reply, very well, thank you. Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. What was the Spanish for I want it now? I want it now. Lo quiero ahora. Lo quiero ahora. I want it now. I'm sorry, but it's very good like that. I'm sorry, but it's very good like that. Lo siento, pero es muy bueno así. Lo siento, pero es muy bueno así. I'm sorry, but it's very bad for you like that. I am sorry, but it's very bad for you like that. Lo siento, pero es muy malo para ti así. Lo siento, pero es muy malo para ti así. I don't have it, but I need it. I don't have it, but I need it. No lo tengo, pero lo necesito. I don't have it, but I need it. What was the Spanish for I have? Tengo. I don't have. No tengo. I have it. Lo tengo. I don't have it. No lo tengo. Was a small practice for you. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to teach you.